Hello, I'm Tylah Tully and today I'm joined by Terrain Minerals Executive Director Justin Virgin. Justin, thanks so much for being here today.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
So you've just begun a 6,800 metre drill program. Can you go into the details for us today?
Yeah, we've put a couple of releases out the last couple of weeks on ASX, so we're drilling at our Smokebush gold and silver project. We've started site prep and the rig will turn up in about a week and we'll let the market know. So with some very exciting results there, big high grade gold and silver. We've been working here for 6 or 7 years now. IP has unlocked the project and it's our IP that's given us understanding. We're now seeing all the major geological components to have a major gold discovery here in West Australia, which is really exciting because this thing's puzzled us for a long time. We've got a really good geologist on board now helping us, and I think that's what's unlocked it as well. That's about 4,500, 5,000 metres, about 21 holes. We're trying to get 80% done before Christmas so we can get the results out early in February, which everyone wants, maybe early if we're lucky. So we're all lined up for that. And then with our Wildflower area, 3 or 4 k's south, sits on the Mount Mulgine intrusive unit as well. So we're in the same geological sort of sequence, we believe. It's all undercover. We've done some early drilling, got big soil anomalies there. Instead of drilling blind, now that we know there's some sulphides there, we've done IP, which has unlocked lightning. And now we've got 3 big targets emerging there. So there's another 13 holes and a bit over 2,000 metres getting drilled on the back of the lightning. So lots of gold results in the system. And drilling probably into March, so we're not taking Christmas off, we're getting stuck into it.
So what other targets do you have and what's the broader potential of Smokebush?
There are a handful of other targets. There's Paradise City and Hurley. Now that we've got a new IP model that's actually working, all these old drill results, which are pretty good, are now starting to make sense. There's also a gallium portion, which is about 5 k's away in a different geological setting. Laren's Lane, which we are working on. We've currently got met studies at the government, but gallium rare earths are slightly different to gold. It's all gold and silver at the moment at Terrain.
And what are you seeing in the gold space right now?
Unless you're blind Freddy, I think everyone knows gold's pretty exciting at the moment. It's very strong. I won't make up crazy numbers, but I think we're only just into a gold bull market. That's my personal opinion. I think there's a lot of upside to come. If you look globally, there's a lot of uncertainty, which plays out good for gold. So I think if you're an Aussie gold producer or an explorer who looks like they're on the verge of a discovery, it's a great place to be.
And how is the gold price moving on to the broader metals market?
I think it's probably drawing a little bit of interest back into the market. A lot of investors have been in the tech space and looking at other sectors, and Bitcoin, which is, I think, sucked a lot of the young investors out, and perhaps I think some of the rare earth stuff and the gold doing very strong. Fingers crossed will bring some of those investors back into the space. That's what we do here in West Australia. We're strong in our metal space, so that's where investors should be investing. I would have thought that it's paying their wages, and it's a great industry.
And finally, what should investors be looking out for from Terrain in the coming months?
I think a lot of exciting news. We've currently still got 15 holes for silver pending from our last drill campaign. We've just done a 15 kilometre soil campaign for lithium up in our Pilbara tenement, which is on strike to the Wildcat discovery. Never been looked at. It's been locked up in big companies for many, many years. We're doing a machine learning study there, so it'll be out in the new year, looking for gold mainly on that tenement package. We've got obviously this drilling we do now, so there's going to be a lot of gold results coming through the system. We're looking at some of our rare earths in the southwest and getting some more work done there too. So we've got a lot of assets. We've always taken the strategy that we need model assets as an explorer, but when we get onto something that's real, that's what we become. I think we're about to become a decent sort of gold silver play, and the other assets will find other homes in due course. But we're slowly bringing them up, low cost exploration to add some more value for our investors.
It definitely sounds like a lot of news flow for investors.
Absolutely. There should be a lot of fun times ahead.
Thanks for your time today, Justin.
Yeah, thank you very much.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.